So this is a quick video on the OneMonkey version 2. So when you do receive the OneMonkey version 2, you actually get these fuses in the pack. I believe you get 3 of them, so you get 2 spare, but you do actually need to insert one of these fuses before you charge it. So to do that, you need to remove the seat. Now just on the back side of the seat, there's a gold clip under here. So if you just put your hand underneath that and just pull that back towards yourself, that's just that there. When you do that, just underneath this little piece here, you've got the fuse holder. So all you literally do is just get the fuse and plug it into there. Sometimes if you've got the on switch turned on, or if you've got the charger plugged in while you're plugging it in, you might get a little spark from the fuse holder. It won't do anything, but it is usually advised to connect the fuse while it's off and the charger isn't plugged in. And then once you've plugged in that fuse, you'll be able to turn it on and it'll be working. The only other thing I can show, this is your low high speed button. So usually by default it is on the low speed option. So obviously if you want it to go a bit faster, you can also turn that down.